Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, 'cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go.
How we doing? I know I'm a little late. Get that loot, baby. What's up, Joe? How are you? All right, where is my chat? There you are. How we doing? Good morning, good morning. Someone say Vala! Holla! Ooh-wee! Look at this move at the open. Right back up to the highs. We kind of just chopping down here on the daily. Sorry, a little bit of a interesting morning. What the heck? What the? I don't know how that happened. Some things never change, never change. Interesting, interesting. All right. Kind of want to do something here. Take a quick 26 bucks right there. A quick 26 bagger. Look to get right back in if we push above that candle way more than that. Good morning, Johnny S. Uh-oh. My marbles ain't working. Hold on. It's because streamer bot. Streamer bot's not open. No wonder. Give me a sec. Where's everybody been? Like, nobody's been here this week. I know a couple people were sick. I've talked to a few people. A few, all the same. So these candles look like they're kind of volatile, but they're not very big. If you scroll out, I mean, the range isn't really that great. I mean, the low to the high right now is not even 200 points. So might even go up to 3 contracts to start because of that. I'm here just trading. Good. Spring break for some. That's true. That's true. All right, the giveaway should work now. Let's see. There it is. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Speaking of which, I just got well, I didn't just get the email. I actually got it overnight to switch the other account to a pro account. Yeah, I need to do my bracket today. It's due tomorrow. Today is my brother's birthday. He was born in 1990, which makes him 35 years of age. You guys want to pick my bracket with me? I don't usually know too much about college basketball, but I know there's always upsets. So the key is just getting lucky. Let's see. It's very rare you get a number one upset in the first round. Although, was it last year or 2 years ago that we just had like 3 of them get upset? I mean, same with the twos. We're gonna go with the ones in the twos making it out of the first round this year. Let's see. I'm gonna go with. Wait, where's the? Wait, you don't even. Oh, I gotta click on these first. Okay, I see. Oh, so I could just do that, and it'll auto select. Okay. I'm gonna go with. I'm trying to look. I think I'm gonna go with Tennessee over here, though. We'll go with the Bama. Nah, we gotta go with Duke, right? I mean, Duke always ends up there somehow. We'll go with Duke and Auburn. We're gonna have a 1v1. We're gonna have a one-on-one this year, and then I'm gonna go with the upset. I feel like everyone's gonna want Duke to win, so that's why Auburn's gonna win. Obviously, I'm just spitting out of my butt here. Ole Miss, because I like Ole Miss. And then we'll go with Texas A&M because they're always good. Michigan, we need an upset in here somewhere. Let's go with New Mexico. Let's say New Mexico's going to beat Marquette. I am watching the chart, by the way. Let's see, what do we got here? Maryland. I got to go with Maryland. I know they're not going to make it that far, but you never know. Memphis, we'll go with Oklahoma. Oh, nah, UConn. UConn always seems to find a way in the bracket. Drake and Missouri. I feel like that is one where you're going to hear an upset. Not Texas Tech. Arkansas versus Kansas. What's up, Josh? Kansas versus Arkansas. I always call it Arkansas because it's funny. I'm going to go with Arkansas. Why not? I know you can't see that one. It's behind me. Over here, let's go with Oregon. And then we'll go with, I really like Mississippi State. I just like the name. See, I know these colleges for football, not basketball, so I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I just know there's got to be some kind of, what's going to be like a big upset this year? Is it going to be Montana over Wisconsin? Nah, no shot. Alabama, or you know what? Maybe Wisconsin will beat Alabama. That'd be a pretty good one. Because I wasn't even going to pick Wisconsin, so that's what I'm going to go. All right, VCU, the U's. We got BYU and VCU. I know Brigham Young, I still don't understand how that's the name of a college. And it's in like a all-boys, like Mormon school. Brigham Young. Like, what? How is that a thing? Yeah, this is the Take Profit Trader $1 million bracket challenge, by the way. So if you haven't entered, I'm pretty sure tomorrow you have to have it submitted by 12 o'clock. All right. Let's pick here first. Who do I think is going to win? Clemson or Purdue? Ooh, I like Purdue. Let's go Purdue. Clemson's going to win that game, though. Gonzaga, definitely. Gonzaga is always one of those names that you hear like doing crazy stuff. Here it is. This is the upset I'm looking for. Texas/Xavier over Illinois, because it's always the weird names that end up doing something crazy. And then we're going to have Kentucky beat Troy because Troy sucks, right? No one likes Troy. UCLA because it's UCLA, right? Okay. And then we got Xavier. Does Xavier beat Kentucky? They could be. You know what? I'm doing it. This is the one. If I end up winning this overall somehow, this is the one that's going to do it. If Xavier can beat Illinois and Kentucky, I'm telling you, that's going to be my big points right there. Obviously, Houston's going to win against Purdue. All right, so we just got these over here, and then we got to pick a tiebreaker in the middle there. Drake or Texas Tech? Ooh, see, this could be another one. Nah, Texas Tech would crush them. St. John's versus Texas Tech. I'm going to go with Texas Tech. I just got a feeling that they're the better team. It just sounds better, right? All right, tiebreaker. What are we doing with the tiebreaker here? This is the final score. Total points in the championship game. Usually college is pretty defensive. Total points. That would be like 40 to 40. That's not happening. It's going to be more like 62 to, I don't know, like 50, 6, nah, maybe not. Maybe it's going to be like 70 to, we'll go with 130. We'll just go with something correct. 133, because you know how I like those weird numbers. All right, safe picks. Your picks are incomplete. Oh, crap. All right, what did I miss? Oh, over here. Oh, that's an easy one. Arizona's going to beat Archon. Oh, yeah, the U's. I forgot about the U's. We'll go with Brigham Young. I mean, how can you not? I mean, they got young kids there. Vanderbilt versus St. Mary's. You know, we have a St. Mary's here in Maryland. We used to call them the St. Mary's Fairies. I hope I don't get in trouble for that. But, you know, growing up, we were immature. And so for that reason, I'm going to go with Vanderbilt. All right, there we go. Picks have been saved. If I win $1 million, I'll give some of it away to you guys. How about that? All right. Chart wasn't doing anything special. So we have news, big news today. Not at 10:30. 10:30 is crude oil inventories. And then at 2 o'clock, we got Fed fund rates, and then the FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, and then at 2:30, FOMC press conference. You are not allowed to trade that on the Take Profit Trader accounts, just FYI. So remember that. Remember that. All right, now let me activate my Take Profit Trader 150K account while we're sitting here watching. Marbles, by the way, you have 1 minute. Exclamation point marbles if you haven't already. We only got 2 members in there, Jen and Donovan. If you haven't already, get them in. 55 seconds. Exclamation point marbles. And hit that like button if you haven't already. You guys know I appreciate that. All right. Pass tests. Or is it pro? All right, here we go. Go to pro. All right, making a little move down here. So I totally fudged the sign up for this account because this is why I didn't activate it last night, because I was trying to figure out why it wasn't free. But apparently I used the other code, not the no fee 30 code. I used the code that I always use, and I just, yeah, I fudged it. So now I got to pay for that account, or the activation fee. So I'm a little annoyed of that, by that, but I did pass the account, and we have the account. So we're just going to go with it. All right, pro, go to pro. All right, we gotta take a little trade here. We gotta try a little something. It's too big of a candle. I wish I would have got the bottom of it, but I gotta get a little something out of this huge candle down here. All right, congratulations. It is now a pro account. I am playing with fire a little bit here just because we're not that close to the bands. But I got a good feeling after that big red candle, we're going to get some sort of relief bounce. Might be wrong. And then we're in a interesting spot here with the red to green, because then I'd probably wait for the break of that N700 to get an ad. Ideally, I'd like to get filled before that happens, because then we could get back into the trade, right? That would be nice. But it's starting to look like it wants to try lower first. All right, there it is, red to green. See if that's a little bit of a fake out. There we go. See if we can get a pop up first here. I'm gonna put my finger on the flatten button. Well, I was gonna say, if we get up here and test the top of this candle and it doesn't seem like we're gonna just break right through, I'm probably just gonna get out of this, because little far from the bands for my comfort here. And I was expecting the bounce to happen immediately based off of that big candle. All right, here we go. Finger on the button. See if we can try the top of this candle. Pop through. There it is. Oh, you son of a... Still got my finger on the button. Give it. There we go. All right, we'll take it. That was... What was that? 36 and 18, so $54. Nothing to shake at. Puts us at 78.50 overall on the day right now. We will take that. I honestly was thinking about switching, but to take 2 off and try to ride 1 up for the full retest. But because it did all this first, I was just happy to get out of the trade in case that was a fake out. Obviously, it went up and immediately got the retest, so it made me look like an idiot. But because of the price action we were getting here, I was more than happy to get out there just in case this candle ended up being a fake out and then just going lower. Although I would have been out break even because, like I said, I had my finger on the button anyway. So, all good. All right, marbles. Let me get it loaded. Everyone, let me close it real quick because it has to be done. No way we're still inside of that time frame. Wow, look at that. What is going on here? 9:45. There was nothing at 9:45 that I saw. I think this is just people that were short. Like I said, this range isn't that great, but this candle was pretty good. I mean, that's 36 to... That's almost a 60-point candle right there. That's not bad. All right. Let me get marbles loaded up. I gotta put the members back in because yesterday we did a little something crazy with the final race there. All right, let me hit refresh to be safe. I'll tell you what, if we come right back up to the highs here, I might be jumping back in. That was a huge candle to have basically no pullback on just yet. You know what? I didn't log into my Tradeify account either yet. Let me do that. It says my activation is pending, but it sent me an email saying that my account has become pro. I wonder if it's in the list over here. Yeah, it's here. So now I have to keep track of those. Payment was successful. Your account is now pro. Let's send all these to the right folder. Move to take profit trader. Okay. All right. Going to my first NBA basketball game on Friday with my oldest. That was his birthday present. He likes basketball. So we decided to take him to a game. Pretty excited. All right. What was I doing? Oh, marbles. All right. I got Jen. I got to add me first. So 35, so we got 3 members. Only 3 members here this morning so far. Jen's one of them. Then we got Donovan and Donald. And this should be... not that number. All right, who got in late here? Steve, you get in there late? Let me find the where it closed. Am I in marbles? No, you're not, because you were late. Who was the last one? Oh, wait, you did hit it right before. Okay, so maybe it's just pushback. Me, marbles, enter. You were a smidge late. Push back. Sorry, I'm gonna let that one slide. Let's go. All right. We're gonna let it slide because I'm in a good mood. I'm a little tired, but I'm in a good mood. Let's start with. Let's just do the raceway. Why not? Let's just start with the raceway. Make it crazy to start. Me marbles. Will Musk do the FOMC press conference after Doge fires Uncle Jerome? Dude, could you imagine? Have you noticed that like the publicity has been kind of slowing down a little bit with everything? It's kind of interesting, actually. Oh yeah, hold on. No, dang it. Screwed up. 2, 3. Oh, boom. Where is your thing, dude? Oh, there it is. I'm coming. Relax. We're gonna play marbles. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Alright. I was kind of hoping the chart would go back up, but I'll give the chart a sec. We head back up here. Might be on to something. Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, I never logged into my Tradeify account real quick. Stocks has been kind of slow lately, so I'm actually I don't even have that open. Decided to take a break from that today. Right, up to the highs here. Alright, through the high, see if we can extend away. For a quickie here, back down to 20 where we broke through. Price action still getting bought up here. Let's say I was gonna look closer to 50 for an ad if we get there. Ideally, I'd like to see the pullback and retest before it tries, though. Come to Papa! No! I moved my order to get a little closer to the retest there. Pretty sure that would have filled us, that little dip. Let's see if we can get the little extra push. Tisk tisk. Dang. Pretty sure our order was above that. Alright, a little fake out there. Hopefully. I'm looking to just kind of get out of this. This isn't exactly the price action I was hoping for after we had the bigger move. It's the same as when we were at the bottom there. Although had we held our our shares since though, we would have, or contracts, we would have been just fine. I just don't like how far away we are from the bands, because at any point in time we could just go straight to them. I also have to keep our eyes on the calendar because 10:30 technically is a little bit of news, but it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Alright, let's see if that is a fake out. Again, we got to the same spot and rejected, but the buyers keep stepping in here, which means we might go up through 50. It's really struggling here. I'm really surprised. There it goes. I was going to say, I was really surprised. Oh, okay. That we didn't get a little pop up because the buyers were just holding it up there at the top of that candle. Usually when that happens, you get a pop. Did get a little reject. I mean, it did pop there on the new candle, but it rejected almost immediately, which is good because now I'm just looking to get out of this thing. So we can't just get a little drop and get out. Back down to that candle. I feel like it's going to go further if it does, though. Come on, just go retest it. I'll take it, though, because this isn't the trade I wanted anymore. It's a little frustrating that it's going to come do this, though, and then possibly go back up. Just loves to tease me. Loves to tease me. If it comes even under our average, my average, I'm gonna just hit the bid and try to get out. Yeah, of course. It's fine. That wasn't the trade I wanted anymore, so, and we were in it for too long. My trades I'm looking to be in for like 30 seconds, if that. So the fact that we had to wait through all this just for even that right there. I mean, we would have got our fill, but this is not the trade I'm looking for. So I'll be happy with it. And now we'll just wait. I'll tease you. Your trading gives me anxiety seeing price to your target. Sorry. You get very used to it. You get very used to it. All right, logged in there. All right, we're pulling back, so let's run our marbles race real quick. Got the raceway. We got everyone in here. We got 500 for first, 300 for fifth, and we got 100 for 10th. Well, let's get it. We know the rules. We know the rules. First one out gets the follow. There it is. It's Jen. Why does Jen win so many things no matter what it is? She finds a way to win it. Why am I so white? Like why one of my lights are maybe a little too bright today. Might be this one. Maybe it's just the marbles. Maybe on row. I'm gonna minimize it for me. Oh wow, that like it stalled it for you. Uh-oh, did I just? Okay, thought I just crashed marbles for a second. Chart's back at the highs, of course. So I'm watching it. We still got marbles going. Chart faked out at the highs so far. Be a little more patient with it this time. We went right to 50 basically. I'm going to be looking for the big push through 50. And then if we get up to like 870, 865, 870, I'll probably start a position and look for the retest of 850. Rob, how do you have 0 points again? Speaking of points, who's coming up here? We got Jen tomorrow, and then Donald and Buzz on the 21st, sorry, 21st. Jen's birthday is the 20th. Her points birthday. See, she even found a way to win that. All right, we're back at the highs, kind of faked out again. Still didn't even get through 50. But last 2 sets of tires here for marbles. Let's get it. Code Vala's in the mix. I see you, Code Vala. I see you. All right, last time we kind of did this like upper like this. I liked it. Super Mario Sunshine finding his way through, said, get out of my way, tires. Super Mario Sunshine just blasting through the tires. All right, 5th through 10th. I have no idea who it's going to be. Oscar was our big winner yesterday. He just kept winning and winning. And then we got Holly Nancy. What's going on, Holly? I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. I had like a 15 loss streak. Ugh. Wait, weren't you at like, oh no, I'm thinking of Cody. I was going to say, I thought you were like way up there in points. Super Mario. Oh, let's get over to the chart. The chart's going somewhere while I give everyone their points. Super Mario Sunshine 888. It's a me, Mario. 500 points. That puts you at 4,168. Let's go. Then we got Oscar M. Romano with 300 points. That's going to put you over 1,000, sir. 1,075 to be exact. And then we got Holly Nancy. Holly Nancy sitting at 35 points. Now you got 135. Let's make something of it. Here we go. Mamma mia. I got you, Holly. I'm doing it all on the back end now. Yeah. I like the back end. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes. No activation fee deal. Take Profit Trader. Why are you stuffing it in my face that I messed that up? When you create an account using the no fee 30 promo code, the active account will never have an activation fee when you pass and move to pro. It's 30% for life. Can't believe I messed that up. I feel like an idiot. I still got the 30% off, but I didn't use the no fee code. So I had to pay the fee like an idiot. Like an idiot. Do we register to Take Profit Trader bracket website or log in? I don't know. I got the, let me check. Because I just got the email and clicked the email. Let's see if it's like on their web or like, let's see. I think it's a whole separate login, if I remember correctly. Let me find the email. Yeah, here. So check your results and saying, yeah, it's Take Profit Trader bracket. I'll put it in the chat. There you go. TakeProfitTraderBracket.com. And I'm pretty, if I remember correctly, I had to make a new account on that site. Like it wasn't through Take Profit Trader's website. I activate my account and pay for it, and then Take Profit Trader has the nerve to be like, hey, guess what? You could have got that for free, you idiot. Thanks, Take Profit Trader. Use your code on Take Profit Trader. Does that work for the no activation fee? Ooh, that's a good question. Let me ask real quick. I mean, it should. And that's why I was confused, because I use their code. I always use their code, but I guess at the time they had too many codes. All right, I hit talk to a human. So let's see if they pop right in here. All right, I have that sent. Come on, make a big candle. We don't want none of these grindy candles. So this in stocks, we used to call these grinders. Like a lot of the large cap stocks do this. You know what? Let me load it up. I'm curious where Tesla's at, actually. Let me see. A lot of the large cap stocks would do this where they wouldn't make like a big candle like this, right? The big candles have a higher chance of pulling back because it was all the FOMO emotion into one candle, and the odds are you're going to get some sort of a pullback. But if you're just grinding like this, the buyers and sellers are just transacting, and there's just more buyers than there are sellers. So you just get this like grindy push in one direction, aka you start trending. But if you get that one large candle, the odds are that was like a big market order like stopping out, or a big market order like buying in or something, right? And usually when you get those big candles, that's when you usually get like an immediate type of like reversal type action. And that's what my trades are based off of. Like what we might be about to get here, not quite. I was hoping for it up through 900. There we go. Try it again. We still haven't really pulled back from like 76. It's been straight up here. We just started a new candle. So in my eyes, I'm kind of considering from here all the way up one candle. There's coming up to 900. We can try 900. I might start this. So we still haven't really had a pullback like I mentioned. Just trying to right now. I would like for it to go up and hit 900 and try to go through first. What I'd really love is to see it go through 900 and shoot up to 920. That would be that would be ideal. If we are going to pull back, I would think we're going to go to 75, which is exactly what it's doing. I would suspect it's going to try to bounce here because that's where all the buyers were stepping in. There's the buyers again. I'm telling you, it's just when you really start reading the price action, you really start to kind of learn as you're watching the candles like where those zones are. Like, so when it was coming up, the buyers were in control, and then it kind of got stuck here, right? It got stuck. It was going back and forth in this general like 870 to 875 area. So what that tells me is when we pop above it, a lot of the sellers that are still short selling might get popped out, right? So they cover. And then when we get that pullback, the odds are the buyers that were all buying down in here, they're waiting for, they probably were selling into this push, and then they're looking for a place to buy again. Guess what? They're going to go right back to where that main area was, and they're going to start buying again. And wouldn't you know, that's exactly what happened. I'm not saying I know exactly what's going to happen, but over time, you start to just see these things. Literally just by, I don't have level 2. I don't have time and sales. I don't have all these fancy indicators. You just start to see it. Now, do those things help when you're first starting? Yeah, they do. Because you can start to understand like where are the big orders. Then you start watching the time and sales. You can see all the red and green going back and forth. Like when I see these candles going back and forth like this, but going higher, all I see is red, green, red, green, red, green. But I see a little bit more green than red, right? Because that's what's pushing it higher. And then like when you get in those key areas, you just see like red, green, red, green, red, green, like it's a 50-50. And then that's when you know like that's a key area, because that's where the buyers and sellers are essentially even. So when you are moving in an upward trend, when you go up and then come back to that same area where it was basically even, it's probably going to be even again, because that's just such a key area. Now, is it always going to be that way? No. Like this could have completely dumped all the way back down here to 810 for all I know. But it didn't, right? Because we were sitting here watching and just happened to be right this time. However, I don't like these types of setups because to me, they're a little more 50-50. Sure, I might be able to read it, and sure, I'm decently right, but all it takes is trying to get long here that one time and it dumps all the way to 810, and then you're stuck. Steve, what is your FGHGG for? What's that all about? Marbles, how much time you got? Let's see. You got 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Almost said 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Come on. Look at that. We went right to 900. 19,900 exactly. There was a seller sitting there. Now, would level 2 or the like any kind of order book help you see that? Yeah, I mean, honestly, you might have been on there and seen that there was, I don't know, how many contracts are we getting any given volume? There could have been 5,000 contracts or something like that just chilling at 19,900, and it caused resistance, and that would allow you to see a possible short. But I warn you, if you get in short there based off of that huge order, you have to be prepared that if that order breaks, usually the bigger the order, when that order starts getting eaten through and it breaks, usually you get a big pop. So if you're watching the level 2, I highly suggest, if it's a real order, that you make sure you're ready to hit that button to get out if it's getting ready to go through, because most of the time those big orders, when they get popped, the price pops. And keep that in mind. I don't know, I feel like I'm in a teaching mode right now. I don't know why, but all right, Marbles is gonna end in 45 seconds. But the chart is still up here at the highs, so I am watching it. Where's my other? Oh, there it is. All right, let me get marbles ready. Doesn't look like we're gonna head back up. Looks like we got one more member. Who would be? John, Donovan, or Jen, Donovan, Donald. Who's the next? Who's here? Oh, it's Rob, right? Or Steve. Steve. Rob's here, but he didn't have enough points. Rob, I'm going to give you one member marble, and that's it. I'll give you a shot. Just because you support the channel. We love you. Okay. Cody, are you here? To answer your question, yes. It says all affiliate code promos used reflect the same prices and benefits of the current promo that we offer. So I literally effed myself by using their specific code. All right. Sorry, I just got that answer, so I wanted to make sure I got that relayed. Cody, did you hear that? Even though you aren't even in the marbles race either. What's going on, Cody? Asking me question. Was it Cody that asked me that question? I thought it was, wasn't it? And then he just disappeared? Pulled the plug? Oh no, it was Donald. It was Donald. Okay. Yeah, I just scrolled up and looked. All right, it was Donald. So to answer you, Donald, yes, it does reflect. All right, 45. Let's do, which one do we want to do? Let's do the one with the holes. Kind of feeling that one right now. I'm feeling it, especially because the chart looks like we're headed back down. If I had to guess an area, we're going to come back down to that same 820 area, would be my guess. All right, this is the one where some crazy stuff happens at the end, where marbles like fall down into the finish line or finish hole and stuff. So we're gonna come over here, give it a watch. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, hold on, the chat's in the way there. Oh, guys, that's not the way. No problem, Donald. I see Code Vala still in there. I see Code Vala still in there. Whoop. Whoops. Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. Oh, that's not the way. All right, once we get over here, I'm gonna zoom in. Those look like nails. They look like nails. Oh, pollen, don't hit that. Ew. Oink, oink. Oh, chart shooting back up to the highs here. Watching it. Oh, someone hit it. Jed. Oh, Calbisky. Oh, Calbisky. Sneaking through there. Calbisky going for it. Not muching your way here. Unless somebody does some random fall down. Get through those nails. Who's right behind you? Jack of all trades is coming for you. Calbisky. Calbisky. It's getting nailed. Getting nailed. Falls in. Good. All right, 10th place. This is the first and 10th place. Calbisky with the win. Oh, Code Vala had a shot. Donovan currently there, but looks like Donovan falls too early to give Pitbull Kirby 777 the 10th place. Cal Bisky, 200 points coming your way. That puts you at 1942. And Mr. Pink Bull Kirby. Pink Bull Kirby. 777. 100 points coming your way. That puts you at 3,313. Only if you had 20 more points. That would have been great. All right, back over to the chart. Back up to the highs here. See if we can't get anything out of it. Good race, good race. Good race, everybody. Let's start another one. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You got 10 minutes. You got 10 minutes. Somebody give Rob some points to gamble. Somebody give Rob some points to gamble. That dude needs some milk. He needs some milk. All right, Rob, look. I'm going to give you enough points to enter the race, plus 25. And see what you can do with it. See what you can do with it. I lost like 1,500. That is pretty crazy. There you go. Enter the race. There you go. And now you can... Good luck. Good luck. All right, while the chart's kind of coming back down again, I am going to watch something on the back end for a sec. Steve, apparently there's a newer poker movie called Dead Money. I meant to mention that to you, by the way. I'm gonna actually watch the trailer myself real quick. Kind of reminds me of Rounders a little bit, but in a weird way. It's almost like they kind of tried to knock it off a little. Uh-oh. What the heck was that? Just had a bunch of errors pop up. TPT connection lost. Rhythmic session expired because an account is on. Oh, I see. And we're back. That was something I had asked. Boom, 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 boom. Go, Rob, go. I see you. All right, exclamation point marbles. You got 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Get them in. All right, I have marbles preloaded. I guess I can add Rob's other name now. Let's see, we got 10 in there now, right? Yep, that's right. Give Rob. So we still got Steve, Donovan, Rob, Jen, and Donald. You got 20 seconds. Oh, by the way, the giveaway is live on X and Discord. So if you guys want to enter into those, exclamation point X will take you over to my X profile. It's the pinned comment on there. At least I think I pinned it. Nope, I didn't. It is now. Oh, wait. No. That's the wrong one. No. Unpinned. Dang it. All right. Now I got to go to my profile. I probably did have it pinned. It's the Take Profit, or not Take Profit Trader. It's the My Funded Futures giveaway. It's for a 50K Starter Plus account. We'll be doing that March 28th, the same way. We'll be doing the wheel. All you got to do is like the post, repost it, and make sure you're following me. It's a $127 account. Also, big news. I forgot about this. They actually messaged me last night on Discord. I totally forgot. To say that the 5% discount is back. So no matter what, you get an extra 5% off when you use code VALA. So that is a thing again. Credit cards, everything, all payments. They brought that back. I forgot to mention that. I really think it's because they realized their mistake there, and they decided to fix it. So good on them. I do have the My Funded Futures account as well that I plan on trading at some point, but I've been really focused on just getting these payouts. We've been trading really well, and I don't want to stop the momentum. That's kind of where I'm at with that. All right, marbles. Let's do it. Let's close. Where's... MFU is looking good again. Now, when I get payout, I'm going to buy an account from them and think Tradeify too. Let's go. Code VALA. I don't even know where my hat is. I took it off somewhere and I can't find it. I'm wearing the Ravens hat. Caps won again last night while I was watching the game while I was bowling. I bowled like crap last night. 193, a 212, and then I think it was a 202 or 203. I don't remember. I threw the last ball because I should have struck. I didn't. I threw a spare and then I just chucked the last ball. It was very annoying because I could have easily had like a 240, a 230, but I had two pocket 710s like right in the middle of those first two games. And it just completely took the wind out of my sails. I was throwing a great ball last night. I couldn't get it to strike every time. It was very, very annoying. Very annoying. So yeah, exclamation point X. That'll get you to my X profile. Exclamation point Discord. If you're not in there already, we'll get you the Discord link. That will then, in the Discord, you have to do one more step. You got to go to the giveaway channel and hit participate. Participate. All right, which track we doing? Let's do the crazy track. We got 51. We got 51 marbles. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's have some fun. Let's spice today up a little bit. Let's spice it up a little bit. Oh yeah, crude oil inventories was at 10:30. Obviously that didn't do anything as expected. Who's even gonna get by the beginning? You know, let's take a little closer look at this map. Like, what do we got going on here? We got some anti-balloon archery going on up here. We got rocks to throw down on people. We got, I guess that's supposed to be a counter. Where's the? That doesn't even make sense. Where? How's it lower? What's the point of? What is the point of this thing? Just to go up and down? Interesting. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's watch it from this perspective because the meteors always come in from this way. So we're not gonna know till the last. Oh wait, they do come in from both ways. Who's gonna last? Oh, here they come! Hoo! Oh, I love this track so much. Speaking of Cody, I didn't see your name in there. Oh, it was. Oh, man. I forgot to add Cody's member marbles. All right, Cody, you at least get my marble. My bad, Cody. I screwed up. You know what? We'll just run it twice. How about that? We'll run it twice. Or we'll do the bullseye right after this. I'll load it up. I'll put Cody's member marbles in there, and then we'll do the bullseye real quick for a second race. 200 for first. Oh, Rob. 200 for first. Rob's like, I need these points. Rob said, get out of my way. I need these points. You got a lead. All you got to do is start going the right way again. There you go. That's not the right way. Look at that barrel chasing you. Marie Day and Campo. Oh, that is a lot of barrels. Oh, that's a lot of barrels. Boom. Oh, what? What? What just happened? How you're going backwards through the barrels? Oh, Cody, I think you just got blasted off. No? You're not dead. Lord Incognito. Oh my, look at, there's so many barrels. Oh, and he went right through them. He even got the blast in the right direction. There it is. This is the end. Oh, this could be it. Oh. You were so close, Lord Incognito. This is even like your track, right? You're a lord inside the castle. This is supposed to be your track. You still got a lead. Oh no, here comes Rob. It won't let me hit it. Rob! Rob! No! Donald! Donald stole it from Rob. I've never seen one that close. Hit the barrel. The barrel said nope. Oh, that's brutal. That's brutal. Oh, and then Rob was almost in death. But Donovan. This is like Steve yesterday. We had Froggo now, but he got robbed. I get it. He got robbed. All right, Donald, you get 200. That brings you to 128,785. Donovan, that brings you to 25,642. Oops. All right, I'm gonna go back to the main menu. I'm gonna add Rob's member marbles real quick. Oh man, that's brutal. Rob member 1. Rob member 2. Or bullseye it. That was funny. Oh, Cody. Whoops. All right. Oh yeah, crap. I'm an idiot. I was even staring at your marbles because that was the member one. Sorry, my mind's in a couple different places at the moment. All right, here we go. Let's get it. I'm staring at Cody Futures marbles. Ooh. People with names that start with D's. 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 No. Touch my talala first place, but we know it ain't gonna hold up. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Oh, Pinkbull Kirby! Oh! I think that's closer than the... Is that the Ghost Marble right there? It is. I think Pinkbull Kirby's closer to the middle there. Super close. Super Mario Sunshine 888 coming in 10th. Let's go. Wait, that's twice. That's the second time the two of you have won today. On fire. Pinkbull Kirby 777. 3518 is your new number. And Super Mario, it's a me, a Mario. I think you guys were in the other order. I think Super Mario Sunshine won the first one. And Pinkbull Kirby was in 5th or 10th. All right, 4278, your new number. All right, back to the chart as we are pulling back. We're right at that area I called out earlier, saying if we pulled back, that's where we'd probably go, right here. Previous resistance. Let me show you. Previous resistance, previous support. Odds are going to come down, retest it. When it does, or like if it starts to pull back. So the odds are we might try to get some support here. Yeah, it's a key area. So look for it to possibly do something like, be support. All right. Hold on. I'm getting it ready. FXL, SNGN, JN. Exclamation points. Marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. Burn, 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 burn. Hold on, I got a call. I gotta take this on him. All right. I have to go. Got to run up to the school. Everyone type in chat. Go. Jack of all trades, Janie. Jack of all trades, Janie. I don't see either of you in the... Everyone type in chat. Go. Do it. Type in chat. Type in chat. Type in chat. Here they come. You got 10 seconds. And it's nothing serious. I just got to run some clothes up there. Apparently it was muddy. And it's really, like, just, yeah. All right. I'm out of here. I'll be back tomorrow morning. I'm not going to come back just to get on for, like, a half hour. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same place. Market kind of sucks right now anyway, so I'll just take the rest of the day. See you tomorrow. Until then, peace.